Hi, let's look at this question from our 2019 O-Level E-Maths paper. This is question 4a. Now, in this question, we are asked to express 360 as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to step by step divide 360 again and again using prime factors until we reach 1. Okay, so let's start off. So from 360, the first factor we can divide by is 2. So we will get 180. Okay, and again we can divide by 2 again. We will get 90. Okay, again we can divide by 2. You will get 45. Okay, and from 45 we can divide by 3. Okay, we will get 15. Okay, from 15 we can again divide it by 3. Okay, and from there we will get 5, and finally we will divide it by 5 and get 1. Okay, so right now the answer for this would be 360 is actually represented in terms of its prime factors as 2 cubed multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. So that is the final answer over here. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.